Well, hello again. This is the world's greatest fisherman, this fishing buddy, world's greatest first mate, Phil.
Howdy.
We were going to attempt to make a landing in this boat slip. I thought it was a real good idea to get me a boat slip, but I don't know what kind of idea it is for me to get in it. So we're cruising around on this beautiful lake. Slowly, and we're going to make a concerted attempt to get in this boat slip, and I'm going to do it one-handed because I got to hold the telephone. I don't know whether it's the faster you go, the better it is, or the slower you go, the harder it is. But this is to be continued.